Hi, I'm Short, and in this video, I'll explain how you can transfer your Peugeot 2-button flip key from the old housing to a new housing. Pay close attention. This is about the version with a battery that is attached to the circuit board and not in the housing. Transferring the Peugeot 2-button flip key from the old housing to new housing. Pay close attention. This is about the version with battery that is attached to the circuit board and not in the housing. What do we need for this transfer service? Actually, you only need a wide flat screwdriver and maybe a small nail for transferring the key blade. Well, for this transfer service, it's all quite simple. Because of course the battery is always on the circuit board, it should be done as follows. On the back of the key we have a notch. And there we place a screwdriver in between and simply lift it up. This opens the housing and reveals the circuit board. We do the same with new housing. And actually that's the only thing. What needs to be done now is to place the circuit board from the original into the new one. Make sure it fits properly in place. In the new one. Make sure it sits properly in place. And that the little lever here has good contact with the circuit board. And we can then close this nicely. I'm going to test right away if it works properly. Finally, it's also necessary to transfer the key blade. This can be done in two ways, and a link will appear on the screen shortly that provides more explanation about this method. That's the retaining pin that I need to replace. You see a small lever here. A small nail can be used to tap it out. Once this little lever that comes out here is removed, the key blade can be unscrewed. But if it's done with this one too, they can actually just be swapped. And when is the retaining pin put back in place? It's just firmly in place. Another method is, of course, to have it completely ground down. It's like new again, so it can last longer. But of course, there are costs involved with a locksmith to have it ground down. Well, hope it worked out with transferring yours 2-button flip key. If you still have any questions, or if something isn't quite right, feel free to let us know at info.autosleutel.nl, or we'll leave a message in the comments under this video. Then we'll try to help you as quickly and as well as possible. Success!